Students, this is part 2 of chapter working of institution. In previous part we discussed about Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, and in this we'll discuss about how Lok Sabha exercises supreme power. How is Lok Sabha different from Rajya Sabha? So any ordinary law needs to be passed by both the houses, but if there is a difference between the two houses, the final decision is taken in a joint session in which members of both the houses sit together. Because of the larger number of members, the view of the Lok Sabha is likely to prevail, because the number of members in Lok Sabha are 545, whereas in Rajya Sabha there are 250. So obviously because of the larger number of members, Lok Sabha exercises more power over Rajya Sabha. Lok Sabha exercises more powers in money matters also, as money bills can be introduced only in Lok Sabha. Ordinary bill can be introduced in any of the houses, Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha, but money bill can be introduced only in Lok Sabha. Once the Lok Sabha passes the budget of the government or any other money related law, the Rajya Sabha cannot reject it. So in because the Rajya Sabha cannot reject it, that is why Lok Sabha exercises more power on money matters. The Rajya Sabha can only delay it by 14 days or suggest changes in it. The Lok Sabha may or may not accept these changes. हाँ जी, next third point is, most importantly, the Lok Sabha controls the council of ministers. All the cabinet ministers like finance minister, external affair ministers, home minister, these are part of Lok Sabha. Only a person who enjoys the support of the majority of the members in Lok Sabha is appointed as prime minister. As BJP has majority of seats in Lok Sabha, that is why the leader of BJP, that is Mr. Modi, he is our prime minister. If the majority of the Lok Sabha members say they have no confidence in the council of minister, all the ministers including the prime minister have to quit. The Rajya Sabha does not have this power. So it means the Lok Sabha has power on money matters, on the because of larger number of seats, and also to pass no confidence motion against the council of minister and the prime minister. Only this is only Lok Sabha that can take action.